Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell. I am here in the kitchen ready to bake, but not as you know it. I have got a recipe here that is ideal for raiding the store cupboards and the freezer to make an amazing cake. So bear with me, it's some slightly unorthodox ingredients, but you get a fantastic result. So first things first, I have got 1 pint of thawed ice cream, vanilla ice cream, poured straight into my mixing bowl. Okay, I told you it was a little quirky, but it'll get there, I promise. Okay, I've got 200 grams of self-raising flour. That goes straight in. I have got 1 teaspoon of baking powder, just to give it an extra little bit of lift. I've got 2 bananas which are on their way out. Now we've all gone mad and bought loads of bananas and they're on their way. So what we're gonna do, just slice your bananas straight up. The riper bananas are the best ones because they've got more flavour and they kind of break down really well. The ripest ones you can. And then I've got some frozen mixed berries in here, okay? Now if you wanted to make a different flavour, you absolutely can. Vanilla, for me, just meant it kind of started out as a base flavour. But if you've got chocolate ice cream, hey, guess what? It'll make a chocolate cake. So toffee ice cream, it'll make a toffee cake. So vanilla's something you can kind of play around with. Add an espresso or a bit of strong coffee, make a lovely coffee cake. So whatever you like. Now, just mix it together, okay? Just stir it nice and gently. Don't go mad, because it's a cake. You don't want to develop the gluten loads. You want to just enough. Okay, so just stir it together, kind of fold it, so you kind of run your spoon all the way around the edge of the bowl and then lift it into the middle. So just roll your spoon around the bowl and then lift it into the middle, and that is a cake mix ready to go. So I'm going to go straight into my masterclass loaf tin. Here we go. This is a 2-pound loaf tin. There we go. Right, and then I'm going to add some oats for a little bit of texture on the top, okay? So just sprinkle those on. There we go. That is going to go in the oven, 170 degrees, for about 35 minutes, and check it the same as you would with any other cake. So take a metal skewer, just poke it in. If it comes out clean, it's cooked. And there you have it, a store cupboard cake. Okay, so this cake has had about 35, nearly 40 minutes, okay? It's cooled down now, so I'm just gonna lift it out. Just wanna show you that it is a cake, okay? Put that to one side. Now, there we go. I've got some sugar here, and I'm just gonna make a really simple lime drizzle. So squeeze some lime juice into there. There we go, and just spoon it straight on for that kind of lemon lime type drizzle cake. Pour as much on as you like. There we go, and then let's have a look at this cake. Who knew? Ice cream and flour and bananas just makes a lovely cake. So there you go, a really easy cake. Raid the cupboards, raid the freezer, find the ice cream, find the flour, mix it all up. If you've got bananas, throw them in. If you haven't, don't worry about it. Just look at what you've got and make this amazing cake. Now, if you want the recipe, go to www.kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.